Hello, Rhonda Greenberry, creator of 5 Seconds to Healthy, certified aromatherapist. I'm just jumping on to explain to you as quick as I can what are essential oils, okay? So essential oils they're basically like oily components of most plants, okay? They can be found in several parts of a plant, from the root to the trunk of the tree, the stem, a leaf. In citrus, we find it in the peel. Sometimes it's part of the petal of flowers, and so much more. It can vary in all different ways. Some of the plants provide more than one oil too. So when we look at things like the bitter orange tree, it provides bitter orange essential oil from the citrus peel. The neroli essential oil comes from the flowers, and the petitgrain essential oil comes from the leaves. Each oil offers a slightly different benefit too. So even though they're all coming from the same plant, they're not going to do the same things. And certain oils will have different constituents in them. So like the bitter orange would be considered phototoxic, which means that you can, kind of burn yourself. Your skin's much more sensitive to the UV rays. Where the neroli and the petitgrain will not have those constituents in them, so they'll be safer to use in the sun. Okay. So you could really consider that they're tiny little oil sacs, essential oils, that are designed to keep pests from killing a plant. They encourage bees to pollinate the plant, and they also protect the plant from disease. So really, they play a very vital role in what the plant does in nature. The human body understands how to use and benefit best from plant resources in most cases. However, just because they are natural does not mean that they are safe. It's important to understand that proper dilution based on the oil, the person's age, and the person's constitution, so the healthy state or unhealthy state of the body. So if it's a healthy individual, if they have health concerns, chronic illnesses, medications, body types, their health history, etc., will all affect what oils, or if oils are appropriate, or when to use oils, or how to use oils. So all of those things will kind of play a factor in that. So that's what oils are. That's what essential oils are. There are 3 ways that you can basically use them. So you can use them aromatically. So sometimes people place a single drop in their hand and then they do a cupping thing to smell it. This would be applying it neat to the actual hand topically. So that's not always recommended with all the oils. And it's not really the best way. You can sniff it straight from the bottle, but I think the best way to use the oils aromatically is by diffusing it or creating an aroma inhaler. Also, you can use the essential oils topically. So that would be the second way that we use it. So you would placing it in the bath would be considered topically, because when we get it and we absorb it through our skin. And sometimes people like to create things like roller bottles, skin salves, lotions, and just using oil, coconut oil, like fractionated coconut oil or another carrier oil, and then applying that to the skin. That would be considered topically. And then the last way that you would use it would be internally. So internally would refer to ingesting oils, which can be through capsules, teas, food, medicine balls, suppositories, or pessaries. Pessaries are basically vaginal suppositories. Currently in Canada, as a certified aromatherapist, I can't advocate internal uses, but I just wanted to explain to you all the different ways that essential oils can be used. Okay. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.